Go, 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 go!
Going! They're right behind us!
Shoot the motherfucker!
If you want me to go around killing people, you better buckle your safety belt.
Do what the fuck I say!
There's only one way we're gonna lose him, man! We gotta get on the highway!
You're insane!
You're insane!
We're getting on the fucking highway!
Well, shit, let's get him!
Jesus, man! We're not losing him! We're out of ammo, man! What are we gonna do?
I don't know!
Find something to throw at him!
I found a big metal thing!
Throw it at him! Wow!
Who's that?
That looks like some shit straight out of the island!
These guys are fucking crazy!
Shit, they're still on us, man! Find something else back there!
Oh my god, I found a grenade!
Yes! Throw it at him!
Ah! We're gonna fucking lose them!
It's almost like we're ripping off big budget Hollywood movies! Get on the road, man!
Hands on the wheel, man!
We're not out of this yet!
I don't believe this shit! We fucking lost them! You weren't such a fucking idiot. If you weren't such a fucking moron, if you weren't such a fucking dipshit, we wouldn't have, you might as well have been driving. You fucking blew it. You blew it.
It ain't my fault. It ain't my fucking fault!